Hey, what's up, y'all? Let me turn my hat around. Edge Nation. This is your boy CitizenEdge coming here. Wednesday, hump day. But every day's a gun day. So if you heard my live stream before, I'm about to go to the range. Got everything packed up. Let me show you right quick. Got the rifle. Bam! Got my targets. Bright as ever. In my bag back there with the pistol and the ammo, all that good stuff. So I want you guys to join me, follow me, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, engage. This is a collective effort, people. Welcome to Edge Nation and welcome to my channel. I'm about to hit the road, go to the range, give you some great footage, so stay tuned. Edge Nation, CitizenEdge back here at my home away from home. Another day at the gun range. My third day in about a week, but you never get enough of practice. Come bang with me with the bang 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 gang, baby. Yo, check out my live, you know what I'm saying? My IG, Twitter, mostly on YouTube, of course, Facebook. You know, I post a lot of content on Reddit. Get a lot of love from Reddit, some of my Reddit people, you know what I'm saying? Much love to you. Appreciate all the new subscribers that came on board. Shout out to my man Glocks and Load Firearm Reviews. You know, much love to them. I want to give a shout out to my subscribers, people that hold it down since day one. You know, Michael, J. Nix, Autumn Moore. Oh, my man, Provided Grind, you know what I'm saying? Holding down LA. You know, if I forgot you, just, you know, remind me in the comments. I'll be sure to shout you out. Round two, fight. All right, this is a good look at the range here. As you can see, it's a clear day. No one's here, not a soul in sight. Not for the faint of heart. I know it's because it's about 98 degrees out here, but as they say, if you can't stand the heat, get the you know what out the kitchen. About to pull out Nat Turner. Yep, rifle's called Nat Turner. There we go, baby. Get this beautiful contraption out of here. Thanks, wife, for the bipods. Let me pop these bad boys. Doop. Doop. This one out here. Boop. Look at that beauty, that sexy beast right there. Let me clear this one-handed. Let me just pop the, you know, that out there. Show off its an entire beauty. That's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, have mercy. Alright, just walking down range, see how I shot. Let's see how this thing looks. Oh boy. Looks like I didn't hit shit. All right, bad news, y'all. This is not clickbait. I was shooting and I didn't hit any bullets on target, period, from 50 yards out. Come to find out, a gentleman helped me and told me that, well, we saw that the top rail was not aligned whatsoever. It's a good half an inch off. Because I bought my upper, I built the lower, so I have to take off all of my accessories, all of my... Damn, man, this fucking sucks. Let me try to show you guys. I have to actually step behind the yellow line because we have a ceasefire going on. See how crooked this is? Alright, so I'm about to walk down to the pistols. The most disappointing walk. I'm gonna take out all my anger on this 9mm. Motherfucking AR, swear to God. But the beat must go on. Still bang 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 time. We still in business, baby. Alright, y'all. I'm mad as hell, man. My AR down, so somebody has to pay. I'm gonna take it out on a silhouette and we'll see what happens. All right, let's take a look at the damage done here. Like I said, both eyes open. This is the don't give a fuck section, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I put all those holes here, you know. Looks like I only fucked up right here. It's probably when I was at my most maddest. But, you know, it's fairly good. Real life situations, people. I'm going to work on more about marksmanship some other day. Had the intention, but yes. I wear my heart on my sleeve sometime, but it's all good, man. Like I said, talk y'all makes me happy, but you know, this person's straight up dead 10 times over, so I call that a success. All right, y'all, I got some more shit left, so let's get right to it. All right. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm pissed off, man. I'm not even worried about accuracy. I hate the silhouette. You know, it is what it is. I'm happy, y'all. I'm talking to you all, you know, Edge Nation, all my people. Thanks for support. I am grateful for each and every one of you. I love the engagement. I love the comments. Appreciate y'all rocking with me from day one. We have a long way to go. It's no time to celebrate whatsoever. I'm trying to go to the top, trying to bring y'all with me, trying to make sure that we talk about all these issues, combating all of us. We're going to hopefully unite all of us through engagement, conversation, hard work, sweat, blood, and tears. Stay alert, safe, and smart. Edge Nation, subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell for notifications so you can stay updated with the latest and greatest of information. Edge Nation, Citizen Edge, and I'm out.